Good morning. We are taking a topic analysis of determinate space stress by tension coefficient method. This is the topic of structural analysis, uh, so called tension coefficient method. So, so the tension coefficient method, Professor R.B. Southwell introduced the tension coefficient method. It is systematic presentation of the method of joints. This is especially useful for space frame, and this method is valid for perfect frame. This method also used for space truss also. So according to the topic, we will use this method for space truss. So the tension coefficient for a member of a frame is defined as the pull or tension in the member divided by its length. Here we can see that small t is capital T upon small l. Capital T is pull in member and L is length of member, and small t is tension coefficient of the member. So we'll get by the dividing the length of the member with the tension, or force, we'll get tension coefficient. In this example we can see that AB is a member of a frame, and the coordinates of AB is shown x and y and xb and yb in xy direction, xy coordinates. So consider a member AB of a pin jointed perfect frame in equilibrium under a given system of external forces or reactions acting at the joint. TAB be the resulting pull in the member. So TAB is the resulting pull in the member, and here you can see that you can see TAB is pull in this member. Okay. Now tension coefficient. Let xa and ya be the coordinate of A and xb yb be the coordinate of joint B. In x direction, uh, you can see that there is a angle with horizontal is theta. So in x direction, TAB cos theta is equals to TA, and is TAB will be XB TAB, small TAB into XB minus XA. Okay. Now in y direction, TAB sin theta, which will be is equals to TAB, and TAB will be small TAB into YB minus YA, where small TAB is tension coefficient. By the multiplying this tension coefficient with the length, we will get force. So TAB will be small TAB into YB minus YA, length in y direction. Okay. Now we will take an example. By the use of this example, we will understand how this tension coefficient method will work. So problem, figure shown the plane of a tripod. Here is a tripod, and it have three legs A, B and C. Fit A, B, C in same horizontal plane, and the apex D being 3.75 meter above the plane. Horizontal loads of 100 kN and 180 kN are applied at D in the direction so on. Find the forces in the member assuming that all joints are pin joints. We can see in this diagram there are three feet A, B and C. These all are in horizontal plane, and this D is apex of this tripod. So this is in space. So the length is given between AB is 2.5 and 2.5 meter, and DC length is 3 meter, and BD length is 4.5 meter. This length is given. So by the use of this length, we assume B is origin. We will first indicate the coordinates of every point. So coordinate of B is 0 0 0 because we assume this is origin, and coordinate of A is 0, and this vertical distance YA is 5 meter. So 0 5, and Z is 0. Coordinate of C is this 4.5 plus 3 7.5, or YC is 2.5 and ZC is 0. Coordinate of D is 4.5, or is it XZ XD, and YD is 2.5, and ZD is 3.75, which is given. Now first step is write down the coordinates of every point. So ABCD, this is the coordinate XYZ. We have write in tabular form. Now equilibrium equation, sigma fx, sigma fy, sigma xz. We applied a joint D equilibrium equations. Fx, xy and fz is 0. So there are three members, dA, dB and dC at joint D, and horizontal forces are minus 180 because 180 in opposite of positive x direction, so minus 180, and minus 100 because 100 is applying in downward direction, so in minus y direction, and in z direction there is no force, 0. Now sigma fx is equals to 0. Applying sigma fx is equals to 0, dA into xa minus xd, length of in x direction of dA member, which is xa minus xd, plus tdb xb minus xd, plus tdc xc minus xd, plus xd is horizontal force on D in x direction, is equals to 0. So by applying this, TDA xa is coordinate of xa is 0 minus 4.5, plus TDB 0 minus 4.5, plus TDC 7.5 minus 4.5, plus minus 180 is equals to 0. So this we will get minus 4.5 TDA plus 4.5 minus 4.5 dB minus 3 TDB TDC is equals to 180. We will take this as equation 1. We just apply the horizontal force in x direction is 0, and by putting these value we will get equation 1. Now we will apply in y direction force 0, and similarly in z direction force 0.